Hello everyone, this is Kubernetes SIG docs localization sub-project monthly meeting, and I'm Sokoson, who is hosting this meeting. I'm currently co-lead of Kubernetes SIG docs localization sub-project. I'm leading this sub-project with Abigail, but she cannot participate this meeting today. So since we use agenda note, so let me share our agenda note first. So I guess you can see the agenda note here. And for this meeting, as I mentioned, we share this agenda note and list our discussion items first and go through the whole discussion items. And foremost, this project meeting is it is official CNCF and Kubernetes meeting, so you should follow code of conduct from the CNCF. In short, you should try to be nice each other. And okay, let's go to our meeting agenda here. So anyone can access to meeting note, and if you are a member of this group, then you can edit yourself. So you can name down your name here, participant, and since there are many newcomers, so I'd like to request some safe instruction from newcomers. So if you are newcomers, I think several, so could you introduce yourself? I guess Ji-Hun Shin, could you?
Yeah. Hello. My name is Ji-Hun Shin, and I am a Kubernetes contributor from Korea. I started contributing to Kubernetes through open source contribution academy program in Korea. And my goal is to become a Kubernetes reviewer and approver. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Jung-Woo Han is actually one of old member, right? So feel free to introduce yourself. Do you want?
Hello everyone, my name is Jung-Woo, and I'm an approver on SIG-docs and focusing on Kubernetes Korean localization. I'm happy to join this monthly meeting, and I'm look forward to collaborating with you all. Thank you.
Nice to meet you again. And Hyori, could you explain yourself?
Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Hyori Lee, and I am also mentee in the Kubernetes Open Source Academy project. And I'm really excited to join this Kubernetes open source community. And I look forward to contributing more in the future. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. And Wonyoung?
Hi, I'm Wonyoung, web application engineer based in Tokyo. I joined because I'm interested in Kubernetes localization, and I'm excited to contribute and look forward to working with everyone here. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. And the name is in South Korean, but I guess her name is Eunjung. Eunjung, hello.
Hello.
Could you, introduce yourself?
My name is Eunjung Park, and I joined this monthly meeting because I'm interested in Kubernetes localization. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. And GKO, hello. Are you a newcomer for this meeting? Okay, I'm not sure GKO can respond or not. So yeah, I think Noah, you can introduce yourself, even though you are not newcomer, since there are too many
sure.
newcomers.
Well, I never participated, even though I started participating in the contributions. So I'm Noah. I'm a software engineer living in Tenerife, and I'm working with Sioko together on the cloud native CNCF cloud native glossary. So I thought I might be supporting also here in the localization. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Noah. And as all of you might know, I'm co-lead of this sub-project, and I think there are additional newcomers from Persian localization team, I guess. Moves, hello, are you there? Okay, we have been introduced this some for newcomers. I think even though there are many newcomers, I'm not sure they can respond right now. So, okay, let's go for the agenda items. Okay, first thing is I should share the release for the Kubernetes 134 was already released. So our documentation part also has been updated. There are new document files for this new release additional features, and some previous documentation also has been updated. So I guess localization contributors need to check outdated content because this new release should change some English source document, so you need to check. Okay, second item is about welcoming Open Source Software Contribution Academy mentees from South Korea. And as you can see, there are many South Korean here in this meeting, and most of them are from this Open Source Contribution Academy program. So they are actually kind of reinitiating and reactivating little bit style the Korean localization activity. So I'm very pleased to welcoming them. So this kind of activity, actually the mentor of this academy is Ran Che in this meeting, and he actually leading this mentees for this program. And thanks to Che about offline and organizing this kind of meeting. This activity is very important to bring newcomers to Kubernetes community itself. Okay, next item is...
Thank you for mentioning this. Actually, how can I say? I was doing some this mentoring program previously with OpenStack, but this year, then it's for the first time to lead mentoring with Kubernetes localization. So I'm so happy to involve in to mentor new upstream contributors. And also then my plan is next year then I hope that I can more align with LFX mentoring program. So then we can do something more with the larger scale. Thank you.
Thank you. And we can actually definitely can apply for LFX mentorship. It is actually recommended activity for us as well. Okay, next item is about Persian localization. I hope to hear any ongoing status for this Persian localization, and I would like to hear is there any issues blocking them, or the point that localization sub-project lead can help. So I guess there are several Persian localization team members, right? Is there?
Hello, everybody. How are you? Did you hear from my voice?
Mo,
Hello, sir.
right? Am I
Very
saying your
good.
name
Hello,
correctly?
Seko-san. I hope you're all, you are good actually, because of in the first place, I should say that it is my pleasure to see all you guys. This is my first time that I participate to this online session as a member of Persian localization team. And as you mentioned, Seko-san, in a Slack channel, and that's I should explain the current status of our team. The current status of our team is actually last week we had a session about working on glossary files, and it contains too much files, and I think it contains 162 files, and I and Mohammad Reza split it into two small portions, and we are working and translate it into Persian. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, thank you. Is there any PRs or tasks that requires my help currently?
What do you mean?
I mean, do you need any blocking issues that you should through?
For myself, no, and I don't have any issues for blocking my path. But another guys, I don't know, because of I think it is better to Mohammad Amin participate to this online session to explain many issues. But myself, I don't have any issues. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, if you have any issues and requires any help, then you can call me and your team can call me. And yeah, I think Persian localization team actually currently starting point of their localization tasks, and they firstly opened a one big PR, but they try to sync with Kubernetes localization communities workflow. So they made their development branch and separated the already translated PRs. And those PRs are currently reviewable level of PRs. So they are going taking the steps, step by steps. So I think it is a very nice activity, and Persian localization team showing very good practice to become.
That's kind of you, man. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Kubernetes,
That's kind of you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you too. You are very good. Your team showing very good movement. Okay.
And I think one thing that I should add up is that thank you very much, guys, for taking time for Persian localization team and taking time for every single PR that we put in GitHub and review all the PRs and add some tags like LGTM and approve. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, we are actually one team, even though we are using different language.
Thank you.
Okay, next item, I also added this new item. Actually, I don't need to put every items, and every individual can add your discussion item. Just remind it. And next item is about is some updating the localization guideline. We have some localization guideline whenever we start a new localization. For instance, Persian localization team currently just initiated their localization, and they actually followed the current localization guide document in Kubernetes website. But the guideline itself is a little bit ambiguous. So that part should be updated, and we captured the point that should be updated. And I guess we can discuss how to update the localization guideline, especially for new language initiation. So if you are interested in starting new localization, then you might see this discussion, and you can participate in updating the localization guide itself. So currently we are going to update the localization actually based on the current experience from Persian localization, which actually facing this different workflow between guideline and their actual contributions. So you can see the issues there. And also another Persian localization support issues here. Currently in Persian localization team, they are using development branch like this to initiating a new first version of their localization. And we didn't set reviewers and approvers for this branch yet. So currently, Persian localization team members actually reviews all Persian PRs as non-member contributor currently. And officially, I'm giving some LGTM as a reviewer, and I bring SIGDocs maintainer, SIGDocs lead as giving as owners to give official approval. Currently, I'm thinking of making some temporal ownership for localization reviewers and localization owners, which I'm involved in, so that I can give some approval to PRs, so that I can expedite Persian contribution tasks. Also, I would like to add this language FA label automatically to add this label to the localization specific PRs. We need to set this label section in the owners file. So since we don't have owners file in Persian content, so this label is not automatic. So I'm planning to add this kind of setting, but I should check it is feasible or not with the SIG link. So maybe I should share it to Persian localization Slack channel so that Persian localization team can understand what is going on regarding the ownership and reviewership for this development branch. Wolf, do you understand about this explanation correctly? Okay. Here for language directory, for instance, English, there is owner's file, and this reviewer section, approval section means they are reviewers for this directory and owners for this directory. So in localization content, we also have this kind of configuration. For instance, for Korean, there's owner's file, and we have reviewer, KO reviewer, and approval for KO owners, and we have this kind of label. But currently, there's in Persian localization FA, as you can see, there's no owner's file yet. So the global owner can only merge this PRs targeting to this directory. So I'm thinking of adding owners file for FA directory as well. So anyway, I will share it to the Slack channel as well. Okay, is there any question for this item? Okay, I guess none. Okay, next item is sharing some localization team rebuilding status. And we currently have some localization teams which have facing some shortage of maintainers. I mean the approvers. So if they for 1 year activity, we check 1 year activity, and if there's no activity, then we automatically remove them from the ownership, from approver and from the reviewers. And if the inactivity status is too long, then they will be removed from the Kubernetes organization membership as well. So currently, German localization team and Vietnamese localization team face this kind of situation. So they are already in the status of rebuilding. So since Noah is here for maybe representing the German localization, so Noah, could you share the status of German localization team rebuilding?
Yeah, sure.
Your plans?
Yeah, I can say a little bit about it. So I've been contacting the existing German team, which was very small, basically just 1 or 2 persons, 1 approver, which is Benedict, I think, and so we had a meeting and we talked about how we can proceed, and we started to create some umbrella issues. That's how we work at the moment. We create umbrella issues for several sections of the website, and under this umbrella issue we track like the different sites, the different pages, or even subsections, and we start slowly to create pull requests. I was handing in 1, 2, 3, I don't know, I think it was 3, and at least one is open. So that's the status, but at the same time, we face the problem that all open source projects face, I guess. Like people come and go very quickly. Some people come, jump in, are very motivated in the beginning, and then they leave. That's open source. And so at the moment, it's like there was one additional person who was motivated, created a pull request. It went back and forth, and now it's silent. But it's a similar issue with also with approving. We have only one approver, and when I'm handing in PRs, then the first one got merged, but the second one is like stale for, I don't know, 1-2 weeks. So it's an ongoing issue. What I will do now is I will try to ping again the people. Like that's that's the strategy, to go after people and to ping them friendly, to ask for reviews, ask the people if they are motivated to continue. But I think we will keep having the problem of getting people motivated to stay, to continue constantly, but also to get PRs merged if there's only one approver, or like a small amount of approvers. So yeah, that's kind of the situation.
Is there any German community who which are interested in this kind of activity, so that we can share some requests to them? Do you know?
Well, I mean, you know that we have the same problem in the glossary, no?
Sure.
So it's really tough. I mean, yeah, I don't know. There's several events also going on in the we could try to spread the word again in the Kubernetes channels. I know that there's events in Germany happening as well, Kubernetes container days or something. Yeah, I think we could do like what I could do is like I could do a follow up with the people in the channel, that's for sure. And maybe I could prepare a post that can be shared in the groups to try to get some people motivated to contribute. Yeah, that's something I could do.
Or maybe we can utilize some official channels from Kubernetes or CNCF official SNS, so that we can bring several motivated contributors all together in some area, time zone.
Would be nice. Because yeah, it's sometimes it's a bit frustrating, no? When you
Sure,
jump into a team and then it's like, yeah, but it's open source.
Two small contributor force, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I will also try to find an official way to share this kind of information, and I just hope to check if localizing Kubernetes website in German is beneficial to many people who are using German language, or
yes and no. I mean, the thing is, I know that there's a lot of people in Germany who are not so fluent in English, so they like to have something in German. But at the same time, I also know that a lot of people, they rely more on the English language content, you know. So it's like mixed somehow. Yeah.
I understood.
Yeah.
Okay, I will try to find official way and will share it to some people who are actually has a nullity in marketing and bringing new people. Thank you
Yeah.
for sharing. Yeah, the
Yeah.
general localization status. Okay, and actually, I think there's no Vietnamese participant, so maybe I should skip for the discussion about Vietnam localization status. Okay, next item is some guideline should be shared for the former members. As I mentioned before, for active and live community, maintaining those healthy community, we check activities for members and people who have some ownership, like reviewer and approver. So yeah, we have live, so we can focusing on other sections, not the Kubernetes contribution and CNCF contribution. So people becomes former members sometimes, and I would like to guide how to regaining the Kubernetes org organization membership and ownership. So actually, this discussion happens from the recent request from Korean old member. He actually had been very active contributor as a reviewer for Korean localization, and he has lots of contribution record previously. But currently, the Kubernetes org checking recent contributions to regaining this membership. So people who are looking for regaining the Kubernetes org membership, you should provide evidence for recent contribution, not the old one. So maybe you need to provide more than 5 recent contribution, even though you already have lots of contributions before. So it is a guideline, so you should follow. And also to regaining your activity, I mean membership, you should also share your intention to public channels. Even though you are an old member and you know many people, even though you should share your intention to public channels. If your contribution is on SIG-docs or SIG-docs localization, you should share your intention to regaining org membership, and you should get more than 2 sponsors. Sponsors means they should sponsors only reviewers ownership. People who has reviewer ownership or additional, I mean, reviewer or approver, only can support your org membership. Okay, is there any question regarding this guideline for former members? I guess none. And okay, I think we through all the items listed on our agenda, and I have quick reminder for people who are watching this meeting in record. So if there is a tentative contributor who are interested in Persian localization, currently there is a new team and they are very actively working on initializing first live version of Persian. So if you are interested in, you can join this Slack channel and share your interested in contribution. Then I think Persian localization team members will help onboarding for new contributor. And also, if you are interested in Telugu localization, there are some tentative contributors. So, and they are seeking additional members to formalizing a team. It is not initiated, so you can be the part of initial team if you are interested in Telugu localization. So next one is if you are interested in German localization, and German localization team members are working on team rebuilding. So requires lots of help from contributors. So if you are interested in, you can access to this selectioner and share your intention on helping team rebuilding as well as just small or large contribution. And likewise, you can, if you are interested in Vietnamese localization, you can join here. They are also rebuilding status. So I think we covered the whole agenda items here, and I would like to ask if there are any additional discussion items should be shared in this meeting, or any questions are welcomed for this meeting. Is there anyone? So I think there's no additional discussion items and questions. So I think we can order this meeting. So thank you for participation, and have a nice day and have a good night.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
thanks.
Meeting
You
is
too.
over.
Ciao,
Bye-bye
guys.
now.
See ya.
Thank you for everything, Seko-san, and you paved the road with your guides, and you help us to move forward. And without you, we can move forward by any stretch of the imaginations. Thank you for everything. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you too. Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.